Hello friends, welcome to my channel Technical Arquin, myself Arnab Kundu. Today I will discuss another Arduino video, and today's problem is that to write a program to fade an LED using Arduino UNO board. Okay, so actually how to fade an LED today I will discuss through Arduino UNO board and also Arduino IDE. So go to the computer screen. Through Arduino IDE I will discuss today's problem step by step. Okay. Hello friends, I am just within the Arduino IDE, and here I am just write the code for today's problem. And today's problem is that write a program to fade an LED through Arduino UNO R3 board. Okay, so to do this we need a particular function which is need to use here, and this is analog write. This function is used here because we need this function. Why? Because when we fade an LED, then what happened? For LED light is concerned, the light is varying brightness. Means for to fade an LED we need to reduce the brightness of the LED, and this type of operation only done through analog write function. Okay, actually in order to fade an LED, what happened, gradually increase the PWM value from 0 to 255 and again back to 0 to complete the cycle. Okay, so that's why we need this analog write function, and also we are using, for Arduino board is concerned, using the PWM pin. PWM means pulse width modulation. Through that we can fade the LED very easily. Okay, so at first I write the code within the particular Arduino IDE is concerned. So already void setup and void loop is there. I already told what need of these two function for Arduino programming is concerned. Okay, so I just write the code. What we write at first? So at first we define the particular pin of this PWM is concerned. So just write here int LED 9. We know the 9, this pin number is a PWM pin for Arduino UNO R3 is concerned. Okay, then take another variable. Suppose we write here int brightness and put the value is 0. Okay, and also take another variable. Suppose the variable is fade amount, and we put the fade amount is 5 here. Okay, so now what happened, in void setup we are defining the pin mode function. So just write pin mode and send the argument. At first the LED means the LED particular pin number for PWM is concerned. So this variable you are sending here, which attached the LED anode leg. So that's why you are sending the variable LED, which is actually equal 9, means this is a digital pin and which is a PWM, and also the status of the particular pin is concerned is an output, means through this pin we get the fading operation. Okay, or we fade the LED is concerned. Okay, and this is the void setup is concerned. Now we go for the void loop. Now this loop contains the analog write function through which we are actually varying the brightness of the LED. Okay, so here we take the LED is a red LED is concerned. Okay, so just write here analog write and send the argument. The LED means the pin number 9 is concerned, and also we send the brightness, this variable brightness. So at first the brightness value is 0 here. Okay, in that way the fading is going on from 0 to 255, means is increase the PWM value, and again we decrease the value from 255 to come back to 0 to complete the cycle. Okay, and after that we are just write here brightness equal brightness plus fade amount. Okay, now just write that the statement brightness equal to brightness plus fade amount. Okay, after that we check a condition. Just check if brightness less equal 0 or brightness greater equal to 55. Okay, if one of them, the condition is true, then we change the fade amount value. And what will be the value? Fade amount equal minus fade amount. Okay, and after it's a complete of this if statement, then we just provide another statement and call a function which is delay. Means we are delay for this fading is concerned, because this analog write we already know this function is used. Why? To varying brightness of the LED we need this analog write particular function, which actually using by the PWM digital pin which is present within this Arduino UNO R3 board. Okay, so delay is just 30 milliseconds for that. We already write this code within this Arduino IDE, and now we save this sketch. Okay, so just go to the file and choose save and put a name. Just write here fade underscore LED. Okay, and just click save. So the file is already saved and the name is just given fade underscore LED. We already know when we do something within this Arduino IDE is concerned, the extension should be INO. So we just complete the code or sketch. Now we build the circuit using Arduino UNO board. Okay, this is the Arduino UNO board. I already introduced this board in my previous video. This is a breadboard through which we are connecting our circuit today. This is a 2 hook wire are there. One red LED I am using here and one 220 ohm resistor we are using here. And for LED is concerned, we know this is a long leg, is a small leg. Long leg is a anode which just go to the pin number 9 through the resistor 220 ohm. Okay, and it is a small leg which is just go to the ground, which is a cathode. Okay, so at first we connect this cathode, this breadboard minus part means this is the ground, and this anode just go into within this breadboard. This part they are connected through column wise. So we take one hook wire here and just connect this cathode leg to the ground position of this particular Arduino UNO pin. Okay, and another is concerned, this is the another hook wire. Before connecting this, we are using the 220 ohm resistor. Just connect this anode to any other part of the breadboard because they are connected only column wise, and from there we just connect this particular wire to the pin. So this is the pin number 9, 8, and this one is a 9. Okay, so this is a very simple circuit. This is the Arduino board. LED is there, red LED. The cathode just connected with the ground position of this particular pin is concerned, and this anode just connect to this 220 resistor and just connect to the pin number 9 here. Okay, so now what happened, we already write this code here within this IDE, Arduino IDE, and now we want to load this code within this Arduino board. Now this is a USB connector. Now I just connect to my computer using this USB connector after we load the sketch within this Arduino UNO board. Okay, so we just plug in within the Arduino UNO board is concerned through the USB connector. Yes, Arduino UNO on COM3 port already connected. Now we just verify this code at first. Just check using this button. On clicking that, yes, done. Compiling is done. Means verifying and compiling is done. Means there is no error. Now we load this sketch using this particular Arduino UNO board. Just clicking this upload button. Upload is done, and just see the fading is going on this red LED is concerned. So the LED is just fading, and again the brightness is increasing. So sometime the brightness is decreasing in few milliseconds, and again the brightness is increased. Because this is done, why? Because we are using here PWM pin, and this PWM pin is actually used for the varying brightness when we get that type of light from an LED. That's why this function is analog write is very important for fading an LED. This type of problem is concerned. Okay, I hope you have understood today's problem. Today's problem is very simple. To write a code to fade an LED. This is the circuit through which we can easily load the sketch within this Arduino UNO board, and the LED is just fading according to the operation is given. If you like this video, please like it, share it. If you have not subscribed my channel till now, please subscribe it. Keep watching Technical Arcoin for upcoming Arduino videos and more problems concerned. So today up to this. Thank you and bye bye.